Hey guys, Rookie Lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And as you can see here, I got these two Yale LFICs here in front of me. Been meaning to pick these for a while now, but kind of kept putting it off. But I saw a video recently from Chris, which kind of gave me the kick in the ass that I needed to finally get one of these on camera. I should say I have picked this one already, but I don't think I picked this one. I got these quite a while back from a good buddy of mine, King Street Rob. Huge supporter. Like I said a million times, I really wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for the help of good people like Rob. So, buddy, if you're watching, huge thanks for everything that you've helped me out with. Really means a lot to me, man. So, quick look at these locks. They are LFICs, so one key obviously operates it. And then we have a control key, which is just the same bitting but one cut longer. And if we can get a focus here, control key just turns a little bit and obviously takes the core right out. And you can see here the way it's locked in with this locking tab, locking dog, whatever. And basically just a pin lifts and retracts that piece. And I'll show you a bit more once we get this other one picked. So I'm going to try and pick this one because it's kind of acting up. It's really sticky. I can kind of jam the key in if I wanted to, but so I'm going to get it picked and see what's wrong with it. And I'll show you guys how how you can get these to control quite easily. Let's see here. Let's back this up a bit. Alright. So very, very mushy lock. Really no real good sets on here. Maybe one satisfying set here or there, but besides that the pins kind of just mush into place. Sign of an old lock. Really love these things though. And the one Chris showed is really cool. He has a Cabba Peaks preferred, and what those are, Cabba makes a preferred line of cylinders, and they basically are like they replace like Yales, Sargents, all sorts of other IC stuff, but it's a Cabba Peaks. Really neat. So I think we're close. Yeah, there we're picked, but I don't want to turn it too far. Well, hope I don't butcher this, but as you can see we're picked, and what I'm going to do is turn it back to, look over the camera here, where it's almost locked up again. And then I'm going to reach in the back, feel for the control pin, and lift it up, and then turn and pull out. So control picking on these isn't, wow, that's really tight. Control picking on these isn't as hard as some people might think. Why is that so tight? I'm going to take this out of here. There we go. I think that screw is a little proud. Alright, so let's try and gut this. I know these can be quite tricky to gut, actually. I'll show you why. This is a lock you definitely want to use a shim for. I don't know if they're all like this, but these ones that I have are. I don't need to take that all out, but ooh, not to mention we have really nasty clip here. How should I go about doing that? Damn, this is going to be hard to do. I don't know if this will work. Oh, we just locked it up, but hope that doesn't matter. I might fast forward through this because I can already tell. It might be a bitch. Oh, there we go. Oh, no. There we go. Alright. So let's try and hammer this key in. Okay. And like I said, definitely want to shim this thing. We'll see why in a second. It's got to be out enough. Maybe not? Oh yeah, it's got to be. Well, we'll try it like that. Our follower. And hope for the best. No. And we're going to do this from the back. I know there's one way out. It's going to be one of those videos. The cutting takes longer than the pick. And lighting's horrible, and but I'm not redoing this, so actually, you know what? It's one of those times. See what we got here. Oops. Okay. Why do we have wafers in there now? Look at all these wafers. Well, this is one that I never repin, so that's basically why. Explains why it was so easy. But at least we can get a look at this. Look at this nightmare of a core. So this groove here is for that set screw to go into, so I guess just more assurance that the core won't come out. Or maybe anti-pulling, I don't know. But thankfully they left you a way out, so to speak. If it wasn't for this, and I dropped a pin down there, you're basically screwed. And another thing that's really notable about this core is, you know, on the Schlag LFIC, have to replace that for sure. So on the Schlage, am I zoomed in? No. On the Schlage LFIC, you can pick it, turn the core 180, and then manipulate the control dog or whatever. On this one, the only way the control can be pushed in, oh gosh, sorry about the crappy video, guys. The only way the control can be pushed in is when the core is in this position here, and then turning the core pushes it back out. The reason for that is this cutout here. If you see, when you push, sorry guys, when you push this in, there's that little piece there, and anywhere else on this core won't, I mean, there's no room for that to go in, so it has to be right there. So that's why you can't turn these 180 and pick that. So, pretty cool lock, but as you can see, it was pretty easy to get to control anyway. You just turn the core back to it's almost locked up, and then you can get in there with your pick and lifting, where is it? Lifting this last pin makes the connection between the core and that little sleeve, and then you can get it picked. Might as well show you guys the key pins while we're here. Sorry for the messy gutting, but you get the idea. I'm repinning this anyway, so yeah, hope you guys got something out of that. Again, sorry for the messy video, messy gutting. It happens to the best of us sometimes, I guess. Yeah, as always, guys, appreciate your support. Leave a message, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care, everyone. Thanks.